So next we're looking at conditional probability here. And so the way this is read is the probability of B given that A happens. So again, this stands for probability of B given that A happens. So A would be the first event to occur. So again, this is the equation we're working with. And again, it's going to be the probability that they both happen divided by the probability of just the first event. Okay, so again, it's that overlap divided by the first event. So if the spinner has 8 slices, some are gray and some are white, and then we've got our situation here, it says, what is the probability that the wheel stops on a white slice? So this is not a conditional because it doesn't have that given that concept or the fact that there was 2 events. So there's 5 total white spinners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5th one right there. So if there's 8 total, it's just 5 out of 8. Okay. So now if we work with this, it says, what's the probability that the wheel stops on a white slice given that the wheel stops on a number less than 7? Okay. So we want to look at that overlap divided by the first thing that had to happen. So the overlap is that half of them are a white and less than 7. So again, 2, 3, 4, and 5, they're all less than 7 and they're white. So 4 out of 8 could go there. And then 3 out of 4 would go on the bottom. So if it maybe makes a little bit more sense for me to go 4 out of 8 on top for the overlap. And then the less than 7, it looks like 6 out of 8 of those are less than 7. So again, if the purple is a little bit confusing, those were the reduced fractions. So I would keep, change, flip, keep that numerator, change to multiplication, and flip that denominator. Doing a little bit of cross canceling gives me 4 over 6, which simplifies to 2 over 3. So again, that conditional probability there, you've got the overlap on top with the probability of the first event happening on the bottom.